Hi guys, welcome to Lifescience Job channel. So today I'm going to teach you how to make a resume in a very short span of time for life science students and graduates. So for this you have to first install an app called Intelligent CV. So this app you should download it from the Play Store. So now you have to click on create. To create a new resume you have to click on create. So now you have to enter your personal details first. So let's imagine that we are going to prepare for a character named Ram, and I'm going to prepare a full resume based on his qualification. So first his name is Ram. Let's put as Ram. So address you can put as number 5 ASB Street, Mumbai, and its pin code. So now you have to put your mail. So I'll put as ram12341224@gmail.com. So now you have to put your phone number. So let's put as some random number. So there is not necessary to upload your photo, because if you want your resume to be professional, so kindly avoid posting your photo in it. So after entering all this you can click on save. So now you have to enter your educational details. So first you have to mention your master's degree and your course. I'll put as MSc in biotechnology, and I'll put the school and university as Jai Hind College. So I have to mention your grade. I'll put as 8. So the year of which you studied, you have to mention the starting and ending year. I'll put as 2022 to 2024. So now you have to click on add to enter your BSc details. So I'll put as BSc Biotechnology and the same Jai Hind College, and your grade and score I'll put as 8.5. So the year will be 2019 to 2022. So now you have to click on save. So now you have to enter your experience. Before that, just mentioning your MSc and BSc is more than enough. There is not necessary to upload your school marks or your higher secondary marks. Just BSc and MSc is enough. So experience, you can mention your internship experience also here. So you should mention the company's name. I'll put as Piramal Pharma, and the job title is Quality Control Intern. Kindly mention as intern in your job title if you're mentioning your internship experience. So for this you have to mention your start date and end date. So I'll put as 12/7/2022. So end date is 12/10/2022. So now you have to mention what all skills and whatever you learned in your internship. So I'll put as a quality control intern, I gained exposure to various quality control tests by handling. Mention your instrument name which you learned, HPLC, and GC. GC stands for gas chromatography. So I have to click on save. So after that you have to mention your skills, whatever you learned in your lab. So kindly mention only formal skills. Informal skills like team player, self-motivated, confident, these are the skills are not necessary and should not be included in your resume. Just use only formal skills that you learn from your lab. So I'll mention as biochemical tests, handling HPLC, next generation sequencing. So kindly mention what are all the skills you learn and only the skills you know. So also cell culture, you can also put as ELISA. So I'll click as save. So after finishing your skills, you have to select your objective. So you have to put your objective which suits you. If you don't have any idea, you can click on this example and you can find any objective which will match yours and you will get an idea. So I have selected this objective. If you want, you can create your own also. So I will click as save. So for reference, it's not necessary to put reference in your resume unless you're applying for a specific job referred by the person you know in a company, or else if they ask for reference to mention, then you can use this, or else it's not needed. So now you have to mention your projects. So you have to click on add. You have to mention your dissertation project here. So I'll put the title as synthesis of insulin by E. coli. So after adding your project description, you can click on save, and then you can also click on add more section. In this you can add your achievements and awards. So in this you can mention your academic and other achievements, only formal things which you achieved through your academic skills. So I'll put as secured first prize in paper presentation conducted by Department of Biotechnology at Jai Hind College. So you have to highlight your achievement in which you got prize, and use caps for that alone. So now you have to click on add if you have another. So you can also put your other educational achievements you have done also. So secured first rank in MSc Biotechnology at Jai Hind College. So that's it. You can click on save. So if you click on add more section, so interest is not required, activities is not required. You can, if you want to put your volunteer activities, you can mention using these activities. You can mention if you have your publications also. If you click on this, you can also mention your languages you know. So for languages, put English first, followed by Hindi if you know, and other languages if you know. I'll put as Marathi. So if you click on add more section, so if you want to add other than this anything, you can add, or you can create a new section too. So you can also rearrange or edit your headings. So in experience, if you want, you should edit as internship experience and click on save. So if you finally click on view CV, you can see there are many templates. In this, I'll prefer you to give professional. Click on professional, and if you scroll down for template number 46, you can see your resume is prepared. So let's download by clicking here to download, and if you click on view, you can see your resume is prepared. So this is the final output of the resume we prepared. So you can see it's in a very good format. Also make sure you prepare a CV or resume in just one page, not exceeding more than one page would be nice. And other than that, make sure you don't make any grammatical errors. Use ChatGPT or other AI tools to write a sentence without any grammatical errors. So that's it guys. I'll hope you like this video and found this video useful. If you like this video, please do like, share, subscribe to my channel guys. So if you're new to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel guys. Thank you.